So obviously you can tell the size difference here. And this guy would have been an actual civilian hunting rifle.
It's the romance
is
of
the actual Hawkins,
spirit
which
of
had
it.
a smaller cap to it versus an actual.
It just
So this one has a bigger cap nipple, and this one
my mom
has
tracked our
a little
advanced
tiny
history
one,
back,
which would
and I
be
had
more of a
about
pistol
20
nipple.
measures that taught the civilian.
That's not a contemporary
And only
design.
2 of them were
Yeah. Yeah,
So
that one.
they
More like that.
What's that?
North Carolina.
I noticed the site was more modern than.
Yeah, I think somebody was using this for actual hunt. They gave it to us. Yeah, we got a young gentleman playing what? I should have never pulled this one. Some of them don't look as good as they're supposed to.
Yeah.
Obviously, his straps free.
Yeah, they accept a bandit. Hey, can you go get his socket bandit? Yeah, these two accept bandits. This one does too. This guy does not.
Is that the?
Yeah, so that's it, and I'll show you how the sight and stuff works. As soon as he gets his bandit.
She still lived that life.
Yeah.
I know that sounds crazy, but she. Well, I think I will take it.
Somebody will. I appreciate that. Yeah. All right. You want to run them through our little history? You can ask a couple of questions.
Oh, yeah. They were in the Arizona Territory since the 1840s. Came out of the mining camps in Pino Alto, New Mexico, mainly to combat the Apaches that were raiding camps and stuff around there. Then when 1861, when it became a Confederate territory here in Arizona Territory, they fell in with the Confederates out here and combat Apache with them.
You're not coming out with our
California colony.
Even to this day, doctors, it's so upset about it.